Do you want to make more friends and get better socially? You've come to the right place. Welcome to this exploration of social skills, the invisible tools that shape our interactions and relationships. They're crucial to leading a fulfilling life, but they're often overlooked. Today we're going to delve into their importance and equip you with 6 proven strategies to enhance your social prowess, make more friends, and improve socially. So, if you're ready to unlock your potential and revolutionize your social life, you're in the right place. Stay tuned to uncover 6 secrets to a better social life. The first step to making more friends and becoming better socially is to be approachable. Now, what does being approachable mean? It's about making others feel comfortable around you, making them feel invited to start a conversation. A key factor in being approachable is your body language. Think of it as a silent conversation you're having with the world. Open body language is inviting. It tells people, hey, I'm open to chatting. So how do you achieve this? Uncross those arms, stand tall, and let your body express openness. Next, let's talk about the power of a smile. A warm, genuine smile can be a beacon for people. It's a universal sign of friendliness that can break down walls and invite people in. And then there's eye contact. Maintaining eye contact when someone is speaking to you shows you're engaged and interested. It's a simple yet powerful way to connect. Remember, your body language speaks volumes even before you utter a word. People love to feel valued and appreciated. The second step is showing genuine interest. Now you might be wondering, how exactly do we show genuine interest? Well, it's not as complicated as it might seem. Firstly, active listening is key. This means not just hearing the words that are coming out of someone's mouth, but truly understanding and reflecting on what they're saying. It's about being present in the conversation, giving the other person your undivided attention. Next, ask thoughtful questions. Not just the generic "how are you," but questions that show you're genuinely interested in their thoughts, experiences, and feelings. This could be as simple as asking about their favorite book, or as complex as their opinion on a certain topic. Lastly, show empathy. Put yourself in their shoes, try to understand their perspective. This doesn't mean you have to agree with everything they say, but showing that you understand where they're coming from can go a long way. Being genuinely interested in others not only helps you make more friends, but it also helps you understand people better. Nobody enjoys being around a negative person, so the third step is to be positive. Let's delve into the power of positivity. It's like a magnet, drawing people in with its infectious energy. When you exude positive vibes, you become a beacon of light in others' lives. You inspire, motivate, and make others feel good about themselves. This positivity doesn't only affect you, but it ripples out, touching everyone around you. It's a domino effect that can turn a gathering of strangers into a group of friends. Positivity attracts positivity, so keep a positive attitude and watch your social circle grow. Trust is the foundation of any relationship. The fourth step is to be reliable. Being reliable is all about consistency, about showing up when you say you will and doing what you say you'll do. It's about keeping your promises, not just sometimes, but all the time. Remember, your reliability can turn a casual acquaintance into a close friend. Being punctual shows respect for others' time and displays your commitment. It's a non-verbal cue that says, your time matters to me. And maintaining trust, well, that's the glue that holds everything together. It's earned slowly, over time, and can be lost in an instant, so guard it carefully. When you're reliable, you're seen as someone others can count on, someone who's dependable. And in a world full of uncertainties, that's a trait that's highly valued. Being reliable makes you a person of value, and who wouldn't want to be friends with someone like that? The fifth step is simple, yet powerful. Be yourself. Authenticity is the key to forming genuine, long-lasting connections. It's about letting your true colors show, embracing your quirks, and not being afraid to stand out. After all, it's the unique facets of your personality that make you, well, you. And it's those very traits that will draw people towards you. Pretending to be someone you're not can be exhausting and often leads to shallow relationships. It's like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. It just doesn't work. So let loose. Be bold. Be you. Because at the end of the day, people are drawn to those who are comfortable in their own skin. Remember, there is no better you than you. Here we are at the final step. Practice makes perfect. Now, you may have heard this phrase 1,000 times, but its relevance in improving social skills can't be overstated. Like any other skill, mastering social interaction requires repetition and constant engagement. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone, making mistakes, and learning from them. It's about observing, imitating, and eventually innovating. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. It takes time to become adept at something, and social skills are no exception. So, keep practicing and watch your social skills flourish. So, there you have it, the 6 ways to make more friends and get better socially. We've walked through the importance of being approachable, showing genuine interest, maintaining positivity, being reliable, and most crucially, being yourself. Remember, practice is key to mastering these skills. Each of these steps, when implemented, can significantly enhance your social life. So don't wait around. Remember, improving socially is a journey and not a destination. So start your journey today and watch your social life transform.